Okay, today I'm going to show you all about how to use the amazing software called SpeakHaven. Now, to download SpeakHaven, you open up your browser and go to holymackerelsoftware.com. Once you're there, on the left hand side under the More Software tab, there's a thing there called SpeakHaven. That brings the SpeakHaven window to the front. You can come down the bottom and download the software for Mac or for Windows. Sorry Linux guys, on this one there's no Linux version. Now the point of the software is that it speaks whatever is on the clipboard automatically. So you can highlight anything, any text that you want, copy it to the clipboard, bring SpeakHaven to the front.
Speaks whatever is on the computer clipboard whenever the application is brought to the...
Let me click on stop. If we come back to another application, the same information is on the clipboard. If I come back without making any changes to SpeakHaven, it doesn't speak out the text because it knows that the text on the clipboard is exactly the same as what's inside SpeakHaven. So if we instead changed and bring in some different text, doesn't matter what it is or how much it is, I'll copy that to the clipboard. Now
highlight any text in the window and have it speak that text.
It speaks
simple but effective.
So it automatically speaks the text whenever the clipboard has changed. Now if there's text currently being spoken at the time, like in this case I'll
highlight any text in the window and have it speak that text.
Copy some more
simple
text
but effective.
in.
Whatever is on the computer.
Cancel whenever SpeakHaven is brought to the front. If the clipboard is different and it's currently speaking, it will cancel whatever was on the clipboard and start speaking the new text that you've brought in. So you don't need to cancel anything, it does it automatically for you. The other thing you can do is you can highlight any text that you want within the SpeakHaven window.
Whatever is on.
Button, and it'll automatically play that text for you. Okay. The next thing you may want to do is to be able to stop the text. If we bring a whole lot of text in, and it doesn't matter, you can highlight graphics and things like that as well. It'll just ignore the graphics. Let me copy that to the clipboard.
Speaks whatever is on the computer clipboard whenever the application is brought to the foreground. If the clipboard is unchanged, it is ignored. Otherwise, it speaks the new clipboard text.
You can either click
highlight
on the
any
stop
text in the
button,
window and have it speak that text.
So let me hit
simple
escape,
but
and escape automatically stops the text from speaking. Now, there are another number of other things you can do, and that is turn the volume up and down or mute. So, if we did ask it to play,
speaks whatever is on the computer clipboard whenever the application is brought to the foreground.
Still speaking.
If the clipboard is unchanged, it is ignored. Otherwise, it speaks the new clipboard text.
Or if you wanted to,
highlight any text in the window and have it speak that text.
Is it actually
simple but effective for speaking text in applications that don't have a keyboard shortcut. Note there is no Linux version of SpeakHaven as the speech technology used is not supported on that platform. SpeakHaven is ideal for Parallels Desktop and VMware Fusion users wanting Windows applications to speak their text.
Stop that. The other thing that we've got in the window is this little option here, this little triangle, which reduces the size of the window a bit to like a mini window. Now you can actually resize if you want to and shove it out of the way. The advantage of this is that if you do have applications that you do want to speak the text from, typically things that don't have the normal system keyboard shortcut, on the Mac that would be things like Parallels or VMware Fusion, things that can't necessarily speak out the text. You can copy them to the clipboard, bring SpeakHaven to the front, and it'll automatically speak that text for you, and then you can just jump back and it'll still speak in the background. On the Mac it uses the normal Macintosh voice, whatever the default is. On Windows it uses the Windows voice. Now when you're in the mini view like this, you still have the normal play and stop buttons, although obviously they're quite a bit smaller, but you have some other options as well. If you wanted to increase or decrease the volume, you can hit the up arrow and the down arrow to increase the volume up and down. Also the left and right arrows work to increase and decrease the volume. So that way, if you have a computer keyboard that doesn't have the normal up and down volumes and mute, you can use the keyboard. If you hit the M key, that automatically turns mute on and off. So you've got keyboard commands for being able to change the volume and the muting of the sound while the application is at the front. Now the other thing you may notice when you're running SpeakHaven is that it does have a Google ad that comes up. If any of those items are of use to you, then please click on them, and that will give us some revenue to make more software. The SpeakHaven is entirely free. If the ad does become annoying, then please just click on the minimize. It'll shove it off to the side and get it out of the way for us. Okay, thank you for watching and learning about SpeakHaven. I hope you find it useful. If you need any more software, please make sure that you go to holymackerelsoftware.com and download any of the software that may be of use to you. Okay, thank you. Bye.